Good day everyone. So I am Sura Usman. So today I am going to discuss the part of acquired skills enhancement, which is the computer editing and self-promotion marketing. So let's start with the computer editing. When we say computer editing is yun yung pag-edit ng mga ating photos, videos, and even sa documents. So by editing the that photos, videos, or the documents, you can use the software. For photos, you can use the Adobe Photoshop. For videos naman, Premiere Pro, and of course the MS Office for the documents. So, computer editing is pag-i-enhance ng content para sa mga professionals o personal na project. So, for example, as a student, when you want to edit some video presentation, ito ginagawa ko ngayon. So, for that, I can use the CapCut to enhance my videos presentation para maging presentable siya. So, as a students, makakatulong siya sa atin para maging productivity when it comes in editing. So, it can also improve our presentation, gaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, kapag gusto natin lagyan ng mga design or even mga pakulo ang ating video presentation, you can use the CapCut. So, for example naman sa photos, di ba? Yung mga PPT or the PowerPoint presentation, we can use the Canva, di ba? Para mag-enhance doon ng mga ating tasks. Now, moving on to the self-promotions or the marketing. So, ito na yung pagbuo ng personal brand or ng online presence or the portfolio. So, promotion is ito na yung paggamit ng social media para sa promotion. Yung gusto mong i-promote na product by the using of social media platform, the Instagram, the also the TikTok, di ba? Marami talaga dyan sa TikTok. So, kadalasan pa nga, so, di ba, napapabili tayo. So, ang kahalagaan ng promotion ay nakakatulong sa ating career growth, networking, at business support unities. Okay, so by using our cell phone, for example, is pwede na nating i-upload kung ano man yung product na gusto nating i-promote. So, hindi tulad ng dati ay kailangan mo talaga gumawa ng sarili mong shop para lang may makabili sa'yo. Ngayon kasi is, di ba, we all know that tumaas na talaga yung technology sa atin. So, may mga social media platform na maaaring makatulong sa atin to our business growth.